But I say unto you, love your enemies. Bless them that curse you. Do good to them that hate you. And pray for them which despitefully use you and persecute you.
Which is the first commandment of all?
Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy might, and with all thy strength. This is the first and great commandment, and the second is like unto it. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. On these two commandments hang all the law and the prophets.
Master, thou hast said the truth. There is one God, and none other but He. And to love Him with all the heart, and with all the understanding, and with all the soul, and with all the strength, and to love his neighbor as himself, is more than all the whole burnt offerings and sacrifices.
Thou art not far from the kingdom of God.
Hey guys, PJ Cruikshank in the house. Good to see you guys again. I always talk like that because I keep thinking I'm on a live stream when I'm recording a video. Obviously the last video I did, last few videos I've done is to do with the documentary that Flats did. About 4 weeks ago I did a video called 48 Amazing Space Oddities, number 1 to 10. And I kind of said at that video that we was going to carry on with it like the week after or whatever. A few videos later I completely forgot about it. So yeah, 48 Amazing Space Oddities. We did 1 to 10. We're now going to do 11 to 20. So just do them in steps of 10, and then the last one will be 8, obviously. And this is a website I found ages ago and just kept it in my bookmark. I just thought it'd be a laugh to read through. Anyway, this is 11 to 20. Let's get on with it. I suppose. I'll just spark my cigarette up first and we can get on with it. Okay. Okay. So let's share it. Let's share. Right. So there we go. Wow, now it's got a blooming book now thing right there. Boogity bop. Anyway, I've covered most of it, that'll do. But there you go. Space.com. 48 Amazing Space Oddities. Wow, eh? And number 11 is Mercury Shrinking. Isn't that a beautiful picture? Isn't that beautiful? I mean, surely, they must have been to space to take that. Wow. So many pretty colours in Mercury. I mean, Mercury, I know it looks a bit silver, chromish, but this Mercury, wow. Purple, blue, yellow, spots all over the place, crater dents, indentations, what would you call them? Pits, glens, even, valleys, geysers, I would say, to be honest. But there we go. Right. Let's start at number 11, since we've done 1 to 10. Mercury is still shrinking. I didn't know it was shrinking in the first place, to be honest, but there you go. How does a wandering star shrink? Don't know about that one. Anyway, here it is. And this is just a reading one, so it might be a bit boring, but one of them. It's fun. Anyway, I'll get going. Right, so I'll do about there, I think. Yes, we'll do the whole thing. Right, Mercury is still shrinking. For many years, scientists believed that Earth was the only tectonically active planet in the solar system. That changed after the Mercury surface, space, environment, geochemistry, and ranging. Wow. Messenger spacecraft did the first orbital mission at Mercury, mapping the entire planet in high definition. Oh, wow. And getting a look at the features on its surface. Okay. Like they can see microbial life on other planets with telescopes. Unbelievable, eh? And we can't even see bloody microbial life here with a telescope, a microscope, not a telescope. There you go. In 2016, data from Messenger, which had crashed into Mercury as planned. Oh, they planned to crash it. That's a bit weird. I would have tried to land it, but crashing it, okay, fair play. In April 2015, revealed cliff-like landforms known as fault scarps. Because the fault scarps are relatively small, scientists are sure that they weren't created that long ago. They weren't created that long ago. Okay? Created to me suggests a creator. I think they're using the wrong blooming word, to be honest. Maybe made would be a better word for them to use. Created implies a creator. Up Jesus. Praise the Lord. Big up Jesus. There you go, long ago. And that the planet is still contracting 4.5 billion years after the solar system was formed. 4.5 billion years, eh? Wow. We're some age, guys. We are some age. Wow. Anyway, lovely old Mercury. There's another look for you. It's shrinking, it's getting weird and weird and weird till it just becomes a microbial dot. Rubbish, yeah? Anyway, next one. Let's do it. So this one, okay, here we go. Lovely that is. It looks like someone tried to graffiti a whiteboard and used too much blue. Anyway, this has got to be some kind of spectrum, some kind of, let's just read it, eh? Oh, here we go. Tadpoles swimming through space. This is number 12. 300 million light years away, an enormous tadpole swims through space. This tadpole galaxy has a tail that's a whopping 500,000 light years long, and it's 10 times longer than the Milky Way. Wow. Amazing. Right. What created this odd galactic shape? A cosmic collision? Researchers reported in 2018 in the Journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. Two disk galaxies pulled on a similar dwarf galaxy, clumping the stars on one end into a head, wow, and leaving the others to stream out in a long tail. This arrangement is for a limited time only, though in a few billion years, the galaxies will merge together with some others in the vicinity to create one single galaxy. Amazing. There you go. Number 12. Another look at the galaxies for you. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that so beautiful? We love that. Man, surely, guys, if the first 1 to 10 that I did, it didn't convince you that space, the universe, and all that is real. Surely this 11 to 20 will. I mean, look at this. Look at this type of pixel we're getting. It's almost like a real life photograph, this. Crazy. Right. Number 13. Ooh. We've got more graffiti, but a bit more concentric circles graffiti. Nice. Lovely picture again. Yeah. Have a look at that. Anyway. Right. This galaxy passing behind the star just looks amazing. Oh, right. So the title of this is 48 Amazing Space Oddities. And this galaxy passing behind the star just looks amazing as well. Everything is amazing. Amazingly. Anyway, here we go. Right. So. This galaxy passing behind the star just looks amazing. Number 13. The image looks more like a psychedelic bit of dandelion puff than a cosmological phenomenon. But this snapshot, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope, has nothing to do with botany. Well, I can see there's no plants in there. I can see that's absolutely nothing to do with botany. Although it could actually be a picture of a bloody dandelion, and they've just put some filters on there to make it look different, you know. So it could actually be botany. Anyway, what you're seeing is a galaxy. The smudge at the lower right beginning to pass behind a star. The dandelion looking spiky sphere. The galaxy is nicknamed Vermin Galaxy by some scientists because its light gets in the way of studying the closer star and its systems. NASA. Because NASA always tells the truth. Always. Come on. Always. You can trust NASA. What you mean? You don't trust NASA? Wow. I thought they were as trustworthy as the government. Because everybody trusts the government, don't they? Am I wrong? Anyway, sorry. Messing about. Number 14. Ooh! Nice. Nice. Is this Saturn? This is Saturn. Now, I've seen Jim's observations of Saturn. Sorry. Looks nothing like it. It looks like a wristwatch. Very similar to this, but not smoothing. I mean, obviously, they're not claiming this is a picture. This is obviously a bloody computer-generated picture. But this is what they're saying it looks like. So, there we go. Saturn, number 14. Oh, why is this all? Right, anyway. Ring, number 14. Rings are everywhere in the solar system. Okay. While we've known about Saturn's rings since telescopes were invented in the 1600s, it took spacecraft and more powerful telescopes built in the last 50 years to reveal more. We now know that every planet in the outer solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, each have ring systems. Now, I knew Uranus had a ring system, but I didn't know Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune had a ring system. Well, I did. You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the ring sting system. Go on, Uranus. Sorry, I'm being silly. Anyway, that's what the whole point in this is, to be silly because it's stupid. Anyway, Saturn's spectacular arrangement may have come from a broken up moon or not repeated anywhere else. Ooh. Sorry, I missed that a bit there. That said, rings are very different from planet to planet. Saturn's spectacular rings, which may have come from a broken up moon, are not repeated anywhere else. Wonder why. Rings aren't limited to planets either. Ooh. Well, I don't know about that. In 2014, for example, astronomers discovered rings were discovered around the asteroid Chariklo. Why such a small body would have rings is a mystery, but one hypothesis is perhaps a broken up moonlet created the fragments. NASA, the trustworthy ones again. But did that make sense there? For example, astronomers discovered rings were discovered around the asteroid. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, that's Saturn. Gadgets. Mad, yeah. Anyway, let's go on to the next one, which is... Ooh, that is pretty, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that ice wall at the top there. Wow. It almost looks like an ice wall Aurora Borealis. No, that is Aurora Borealis. Yes, the Northern Lights. Aye, that's what it looks like. Anyway, number 15. This rogue planet generates auroras. There you go. So I was right, Aurora Borealis. Cool. Right, so let's do it. Drifting through the galaxies are rogue planets which have been flung away from their parent star by gravitational Forces. Tell me what gravity is. I thought gravity wasn't a force. But it acted as a force. So what is gravitational forces? Is that forces? Is that forces? Or not a force, but acts as a force? Force. We are there. Numpties. One particularity. Wow. Why are they talking like this, repeating words? I mean, one particular. Oh, sorry, it says one particularity. My bad. One particular peculiarity in this class is known as SIMP J01365663 plus 0933473. A planet-sized object 200 light years away whose magnetic field is more than 200 times stronger than Jupiter's. This is strong enough to generate flashing auroras in its atmosphere, which can be seen with radio telescopes. Again, NASA. Lovely, isn't it? Right, there's your a rogue planet. Rogue, like the X-Men. But less power. Ooh, it looks like a close-up on a boulder. Close-up on a muck bomb. I don't know. Close-up on a testicle, maybe. Close-up on somebody's elbow skin. Oh, wow, unbelievable. Right, there are mountains on Pluto. Are there now? I thought Pluto wasn't a planet. Mind you, it's not saying here it's a planet. Oh, a dwarf planet. I thought it was now an orbiting asteroid. Never mind. Number 16 anyway. Pluto is a tiny world at the edge of the solar system, so at first it was thought that the dwarf planet would have a fairly uniform environment. That changed when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by there in 2015, sending back pictures that altered our view of Pluto forever. Among the outstanding discoveries were icy mountains that are 11,000 feet, which is 3,300 meters high, indicating that Pluto must have been geologically active as little as 100 million years ago. But geological activity requires energy, and the source of that energy inside Pluto is a mystery. The sun is too far away from Pluto to generate enough heat for geological activity, and there is no large planets nearby that could have caused such disruption with gravity. Ooh, there's there again, NASA. I know it's all NASA, but NASA and gravity. Funny how they're always linked. Ha! Rubbish, mate, rubbish. Right, well, we're on 18 minutes. I got 12 minutes left. Right, let's get number 17 done. Sorry, let me spark my steamer up again. Oh, we got galaxies, look, we got galaxies. And we got galaxies in the house. There we go, another lovely picture. Spot on. There you go. Number 17. Oh, zombie galaxies. So it's dead galaxies, maybe. Wow. Interesting. There's a zombie galaxy where stars no longer form. Wow, nice. Let's see that then. This massive dish-shaped galaxy, MAX 2129-1, spins twice as fast as the Milky Way does, but it's still not nearly as active. Hubble observations of the distant galaxy reveal that it hasn't made stars for some 10 billion years. Dead galaxy. So what's it still doing now? Yeah? What's it still doing now? Shouldn't be buried. Shouldn't be cremated. Shouldn't be gone. Sent to hell where it should be. Thrown into the lake of fire. With every other bloody lie. Anyway, carry on. MAX 2129-1 is what's known as a dead galaxy because stars no longer form there. The discovery of the galaxy was a head scratcher. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Scientists believe that galaxies of this sort had formed by merging with smaller galaxies over time. Wow. Galaxies just can amalgamate and become each other because they're hippie galaxies. They love to hug. Crazy. But Max 2129-1 stars didn't form from these sort of explosive mergers. They formed early on in the disk of the original galaxy. Sorry, my reading's terrible. The findings published in the journal Nature in 2017 suggest that dead galaxies somehow internally rearrange their structure as they age rather than changing shape because they combine with other galaxies. Sorry. Bull crap. Bull crap-a-doodle-doo. No. No. They somehow internally rearrange their structures as they age. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, next one. Ooh, 9 minutes left. I better get on with it. Next one. Well, I'm going to 20. Should be good. Should be good. Next one. Oh, this looks like a picture we seen earlier, but the other side of it. Hold on, I'll come back to it. Let me just see if I can find it. This is from, I think it's number 10 actually, we did last time. Yeah, it looks a bit like that, but on the other side of it, doesn't it? Numpties. There we go. No, oh, see, here you go. Beautiful pic again. So, Pluto has a bizarre atmosphere. Number 18. Sorry, asking myself. Right, Miller. Pluto's observed atmosphere broke all the predictions. Scientists saw the haze extending as high as 1,000 miles, 1,600 kilometers, rising high above the surface than the atmosphere on Earth. As data from New Horizons flowed in, scientists analyzed the haze and discovered some surprises there too. Scientists find out about 20 layers in Pluto's atmosphere that are both cooler and more compact than expected. This affects calculations for how quickly Pluto loses its nitrogen-rich atmosphere to space. NASA's New Horizons team found that tons of nitrogen gas escape the dwarf planet by the hour, but somehow Pluto is able to constantly resupply that lost nitrogen. The dwarf planet is likely creating more of it through geological activity. Okay, what do they say? Right, let's do it. Number 19. Oh, this looks like Jupiter to me. Jupiter. Another god's name. There we go. Jupiter. Anyway, Jupiter's great red spot is shrinking. Oh, there's a lot of stuff shrinking in space lately, isn't there? A lot of space oddities that say things are shrinking. Aren't things meant to be expanding? But yet there's shrinking and also coalescing, amalgamating together and forming stars. Isn't that opposite of entropy? Wow, eh? Let's have a look. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. Along with being the solar system's largest planet, Jupiter also hosts the solar system's largest storm, known as the Great Red Spot, since it's big and ruddy colored. It's been observed in telescopes since the 1600s. Nobody knows exactly why the storm has been raging for centuries, but in recent decades, another mystery emerged. The spot is getting smaller. Eek! More shrinkage. I'm sorry. I have that problem. Shrink all the time. Getting older, what can I say? Sorry. In 2014, the storm was only 10,250 miles, 16,500 kilometers across. About half of what was measured historically. The shrinkage is being monitored in professional telescopes and also made by amateurs, as telescopes and computer technology allowed high-powered photographs at an affordable cost. Amateurs are often able to make more consistent measurements of Jupiter because viewing time on larger professional telescopes is limited and often split between different objects. NASA! Love it. I think we got 2 left for today. Yeah, that takes us right to the right time. Proper. So I can get a little bit of editing in. Okay. Oh, more prettiness. Love it. Love it. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a close-up on a Christmas tree. That's what it is. Close-up on the Christmas tree. Anyway, this galaxy just looks like a jellyfish. Well, I suppose a wee bit there is jellyfishy. Okay, I'll give you that. Locate. I did 19, yeah? Oh, I did. Yeah, so this is 20, the last one. Okay, perfect. Right. This galaxy looks like a jellyfish. Located in the constellation Triangulum Australe. Galaxy ESO 137-001 looks amazingly like a jellyfish swimming amid a sea of stars. It's funny they should say that. A sea of stars. Kind of reminds me of something from the Bible. What is that? God did something. What did he do? What did he do? Did he separate the waters below and the waters above? Is that what he did? And maybe that's why it kind of reminds me with this description, because it's a jellyfish swimming amidst a sea of stars, which is waters below from the waters above. And there are certainly wandering planets up there, wandering stars, sorry, which we believe to be souls of Nephilim. There we go. The Watchers, sorry. So sorry, my bad. Getting things mixed up. Anyway, let's see if missed that. The galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy. Together, its stars form a spiral shape with a bar-shaped center, with a twist. Streamers of stars that seem to drift like jellyfish tentacles. According to NASA, these stars are forming inside a tail of dust and gas. Invisible to the naked eye, that streams of ESO 137-001. This formation process is a bit of a mystery, as the gases in its tail should be too hot for star formation. NASA. Again. There we go. Another laugh. We'll do next time. We will do 21 to 30. I'm not saying when, but that's it for now. That's it for now. And thank you for watching when you do, because I'll put it out as a premiere. Yeah, that's just done. So thanks, guys. I just thought I'd do that for a little laugh, get another video out. I know I don't get as many views as my streams, but there we go. Can't win all the time, but there it is. Let's play out. Bless you guys. Hear the Sunset's free. It's free indeed.